everyone. I'm so excited to be back here with you today. Today we are going to be talking about plants and science. And I'm really excited about this because plants are so important to our world. One, plants provide us with nutrients. Many fruits and vegetables that we eat come from plants. Another reason I love plants is especially during springtime when all the flowers are popping up. It just makes our world such a beautiful place and it feels so fresh and new and comforting. And so that is the reason I love talking about plants. They're such a great resource for our world. So today, guys, we're just gonna begin our introduction on plants, and to do that, we need to talk about the important plant parts, okay? So one of the first things that happen when a plant is growing is we start out with a seed. And when we have this seed and we plant it, it starts to sprout out little roots, okay? These roots are gonna keep the plant anchored to the soil, and they also absorb water and nutrients from the soil. So let's pretend here I have a layer of grass and underneath is soil. If I plant a seed in one of these little holes, roots are gonna come out, little sprouts, and start to root the plant into the ground so that it can go ahead and start absorbing the water and nutrients it needs to grow, okay? So once we have this is our layer of grass and soil, and we have planted our seed, and now we have roots going down. We will eventually start to have a stem, all right? And a stem is important because a stem provides support for branches, leaves, and flowers. They also carry water and nutrients from the roots to other parts of the plants. So this is the soil right here. The roots are down here anchoring the plant. The stem is starting to come out the ground, and through these roots, water and nutrients can go up and get to other parts of the plant, okay? So this is really important. And right here we have a leaf coming off of our stem. And leaves are really important because leaves get energy from the sun to make food through photosynthesis. So these leaves right here are important because they are currently, and we'll add a little bit more leaves to our plant, these leaves here are absorbing energy from the sun. They're soaking it up, and when they do that, it is going into the plant and it helps it make food through photosynthesis, okay? Another part that is important about the plant is the flower, okay? So the flower, guys, is really important. So this is our pink flower that we're growing today, guys. And flowers' role is to reproduce seeds. So those seeds, they will create more seeds. This came from a seed, and more seeds are gonna come from it. And these seeds can sprout new plants. So here, guys, this looks kind of like you've probably seen something like this. Usually you may see something yellow coming off of it, like, what is that called? Pollen. So pollen, but right here, guys, sometimes in sunflowers, seeds are created. Maybe if you've ever seen like a sunflower seeds are all in the middle of the flower, and you can pick those seeds out of the middle of the flower. Same here, seeds are kind of in the middle here. And what happens, how more plants are sprouted are usually animals or things like wind help spread those seeds, and that's how we create where more plants grow in other areas, but we'll go over that a little bit later. But now we've created our plant here. So remember, guys, we have the roots, we've planted our seed, the roots at the bottom that help suck up that nutrients and water to help it grow. That goes into the stem that also supports this plant to stay strong and tall, and it also soaks up nutrients and water for the plant. And then remember, guys, the leaves are important because they absorb sunlight to get food to the plant. And then we have the flower, and the flower is important because it reproduces seeds so that new plants can grow. All right, guys, this is just our introduction for today. I want you to go ahead and in Google Classroom, you will find a Label the Plant activity. That is all you are going to do today for your exit ticket. And tune in tomorrow to learn more about plants, guys, all right? And I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.